guys, welcome back to another video here, and today I am catching this garbage truck here that's picking up recycle. So let's see what happens and catch it. If you guys hear barking, that's my dog. But the garbage truck was moving with the bin, and now it's doing it again. Sorry. Get dumped, and I'm zooming in so you can see. Well, except you can actually see, so let me try. There you go, now you can see. That's one bin that's getting picked up. That's going to be it for today's video. If you please like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Now end this video right after this bin gets dropped off. Right, that's going to be it for today's video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. And I hope everyone liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.